ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಜಾಬಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹಿಜಾಬಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ, ಬುರ್ಕಾ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರದೆ ಆಕಾರದ ಟೋಪಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಕಾಣುವಂತಹ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಪೈಜಾಮ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ ಸ್ಥಳ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮದ್ರಸ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು.
See, first of all, whoever the MP is, he doesn't deserve to remain an MP. The constitution and the fundamental right. See, these are the hate mongers who just want to divide people. Because he has taken an oath on the Indian constitution. If that shows what sort of people are going to the parliament and how ill-informed they are, and this is nothing but dividing the people of India and spreading hate. And less said about Mr. Pratap Simha. All are playing, they are just focusing on dividing the people and playing to the gallery. They don't believe in the Indian constitution. These are the exact sort of people who are doing a disservice to the society and to the country. And I think it's a shame that these people are legislators.